The Ferrari Testarossa is back. Well, sort of, as an SF90 replacement, but is it worth the iconic nameplate? What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where, leading up to this debut, we've been seeing spy photos of the new Ferrari 849 Testarossa, before we actually knew that's what it was going to be called. Now, the name Testarossa carries serious weight in Ferrari's legacy. Originally launched in 1984 as a successor to the Berlinetta Boxer and named after the 1950s Testarossa race car, the first Testarossa quickly became one of the brand's most iconic and successful models of all time, remaining in production for over a decade. The last time we saw a new Testarossa, it was the 512M of the mid-90s. But now everything has changed. This is the new Ferrari 849 Testarossa, serving as the successor to the SF90. And this hybrid supercar, well, it features an electrified V8 powertrain producing over 1,000 horses. It ramps up to 62 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds and has a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. Now, at the heart of the new Testarossa is an updated version of Ferrari's F154 V8 engine, upgraded with stronger internals and larger turbochargers than the SF90, with that revised V8 alone delivering 818 horsepower. Now, 3 electric motors, 2 at the front, 1 at the rear, and they supplement the V8 engine with an additional 216 horses, delivering standard all-wheel drive with torque vectoring. Now, the 849, well, that will drive 16 miles on a battery alone, of up to speeds of 81 miles per hour, thanks to that 6.5 kilowatt hour battery pack. Now, the result is the system output being combined to have 1,036 horsepower, propelling the Testarossa, which gives us that 62 mile per hour time in just 2.3 seconds with that top speed of 205 miles per hour. Now, on Ferrari's Fiorano test track, the 849 clocks a lap time of 1 minute 17.5 seconds. That's a half second quicker than the SF90's lap at 119 flat. Now, to maximize performance on the track, the 849 features an active rear spoiler that can deploy or retract in under a second, complemented by 2 smaller twin-tail spoilers integrated into the rear bumper. Together, they generate up to 915 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour, 55 pounds more than the SF90. Now, opting for the Assetto Fiorano track package, and now you get even more aggressive aerodynamics, and you lose around 66 pounds, 30 kilograms from the standard model, bringing the dry weight all the way down to just over 3,462 pounds or 1,570 kilograms. Now, while the 849, well, that might not resemble the original Testarossa when it comes to looks, it has some subtle design cues, but for some, those design cues may not pay homage enough to its predecessor, because the Ferrari F80 12-cylindry, well, both of those look like the 849, so this is a more modern day Ferrari than something of the past. Now, it features that gloss black trim piece connecting the 2 headlights, while the lower front bumper is angled so subtly, echoing the original Testarossa front fascia. Now, when you think about a modern day Ferrari, well, you have to have one without the roof. The 849 is offered in both coupe and convertible variants, where the 849 Spider features a retractable hardtop that folds away in just 14 seconds at speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Due to the added roof mechanism, the Spider weighs approximately 200 more pounds than the coupe. And inside, well, the 849 takes a more driver-focused approach than the SF90. The cockpit features sculpted detailing that frames the driver's seat, emphasizing a racing-inspired layout. Now, the traditional buttons return to the steering wheel, thank the Lord, replacing the touch-sensitive controls of recent models. Tech-wise, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and My Ferrari Connect in a digital instrument cluster, plus wireless smartphone charging. Now, one detail Ferrari hasn't confirmed is pricing here for the United States. The outgoing SF90 started around $550,000, and depreciation has not been nice to that model. Now, expect the 849 to probably command a higher price range. And I hate to say it, but that might come down to the nameplate. The Testarossa name carries a lot of weight. So with that said, in Europe, the 849 Testarossa starts at 460,000 euros, and for the coupe, 500,000 euros, or around 540,000 US dollars to 586,000 US dollars at current exchange rates. Now, production will begin next year, and eager buyers can place their pre-orders starting today. Now, we can't forget about the elephant in the room, and that is tariffs. Also bringing it here to the United States. The pricing probably has taken a delay or taken a back seat until Ferrari can figure out if they're going to put an additional charge on tariffs when delivering the Testarossa here to the United States, which will make it even more money. Let's talk about this down in the comments below. The 849 Testarossa, beautiful car, worthy of the Testarossa nameplate? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But also make sure you guys check the links down in the description below if you guys want to help further support the channel. I appreciate the love. Thank you as always. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and subscribe to the channel. But click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.